You will be your friend. Yeah. So your friend ko lang so far. Yeah. Okay.
This is me.
Executive Coach. Please join me in welcoming the radiant influencer, Coach Tony Miranda.
Woohoo! Thank you so much, Jay. A framework is a system is needed to address this disruption. So today, let's do some techniques. Let's paddle and then let's try to hold. Participating. Okay? Alright, so let's begin. Everyone, right now experiencing another strong triangle. Let's go to the left. Yeah. And then, whenever we go through focus, we need to balance on the focus. And of course, it's not so easy to be flexible when we're not ready as well. Why? We need to remember them with personal effectiveness as well as skill development. Balance. What can we do so that for standard kasi sa ano isa 1, 2, 3 and agad! Okay, what? Okay, in the journey of HR, the best leaders are those who can steer their teams through any current. Thank you, and I'm so excited that Agile HR is possible in your company. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear delegates, a round of applause for Coach Tony Miranda.
Are the same. The labels may only be different. Born 1981 to 1996, we often